Hello everyone, I am Rosalind Mukhi. Today we will discuss about elements of cost. Before knowing elements of cost, first we should know that what is cost. Cost means all expense incurred in the production and sales of goods and providing of service is known as cost. Elements of cost. First element is material cost, and second one is labor cost, and third one is expense. Material costs are also classified two types: direct material cost, indirect material cost, and labor cost are also classified two types: direct labor and indirect labor, and expense are two types. First one is direct expense and indirect expense. First we will discuss about materials. Material means the physical commodity that is consumed in the manufacturing process to produce an article is known as material. Material consumed in any manufacturing process may be direct material and indirect material. For example, wood used in manufacture of furniture in a raw state, whereas cloth used in dressmaking is in manufacture state, etc. Material may be direct or indirect. Direct material are those material which can be directly identified with a finished product. Means direct material are those material which enter into the product and become the part of the finished product is known as direct material. For example, wood in furniture, plastic in toys, cloth in dress. This is the example of direct material. And this material can be easily identified with the product. Next one is indirect material. Indirect material are those material which cannot be directly identified with a finished product. Means material which do not become the part of the finished product or cannot be easily identified in a product is known as indirect material. For example, consumable store, lubricants, cleaning materials for machine, printing and stationery. These are the example of indirect material. And indirect material may related to factory, office and selling and distribution overhead. Then labor. The term labor may be defined as the human effort by which materials are converted into finished product. And the remuneration is also given for such effort like bonus, wages, salary, commission, etc. Labor may be direct or indirect labor. Direct labor is the labor which is actively involved in the production in a particular product is known as direct labor. Means the labor engaged directly in the manufacture of a product or in a particular job is known as direct labor. And it can be easily ascertained and controlled, and it is also known as process labor, productivity labor and operating labor. For example, the employee who directly carry out that service, that is driver, conductor of a bus in transport service, and worker engaged in production are example of direct labor. Indirect labor are those labor which is not directly engaged in the manufacture of a product or in a particular job is known as indirect labor. Means the labor which is engaged to assist and help the production process is known as indirect labor. For example, foreman, supervisor, storekeeper, directors, office manager, salesman, etc. These are the example of indirect labor. Next one is expense. Expense means the cost other than material cost and labor cost are known as expense. That is rent of factory, office, warehouse, and electricity bill and insurance of factory, office, warehouse. These are the example of expense. Expense may be direct expense or may be indirect expense. Direct expense or chargeable expense are those expense which can be directly and easily allocated to specific cost unit or cost center. Means expense which are specifically incurred for the production of a particular product is known as direct expense. For example, cost of patent and royalties, research and experimental expense related to specific work order, and cost of special design. These are the examples of direct expense. Indirect expense means all expense other than direct expense are known as indirect expense. Means the expense are those which cannot be directly or easily allocated to a specific cost unit or cost center is known as indirect expense. For example, rent of factory, warehouse, insurance of factory, office, electricity bill, depreciation on machinery and furniture, advertisement expense, bad debt, carriage outward, packing expense. These are the examples of indirect expense. Next one is overhead. Overhead means the three elements of indirect cost like indirect material, indirect labor and indirect expense are collectively called overhead. Means the total of office and administration overhead and selling and distribution overhead is known as general overhead. Overheads are three types. First one is factory overhead, second one is office and administration overhead, selling and distribution overhead. First one is factory overhead. Factory overhead are those expenses which are incurred in the factory during the course of production. Means the cost incurred in the factory over and above the prime cost is known as factory overhead. And they are also known as manufacturing, work or production overhead. For example, consumable store, work manager salaries, timekeeper salaries, lubricant, etc. These are the example of factory overhead. And next overhead is office and administration overhead. Office and administration overhead are those expenses relating to management and administration of the business. Means all indirect costs relating to office and general administrative function of a business enterprise are called as administrative overhead. For example, office printing and stationery, salary of office manager, clerical staff, legal advisor, accountant and full-time director, director fees, audit fees, salary of public relation officer, etc. These are the example of office and administration overhead. And last overhead is selling and distribution overhead. These are the expense incurred for marketing and selling and distribution of a product. Means the cost incurred to create and to stimulate demand and to increase sales for the existing customer is known as selling and distribution overhead. For example, warehouse rent, delivery van expense, social packaging, carriage outward, etc. And the next one is prime cost. Prime cost is the aggregate of direct material, direct labor and direct expense. Means the sum total of direct material, direct labor and direct expense is known as prime cost. Thank you, sir. That's all about elements of cost.